Om Shanti. Today's topic is complete means all treasures are accumulated. Om Shanti. God's sweet version. Sweet child, constantly continue to check the treasures you have received from the Father to see which treasures you have accumulated and which are still missing. Time is the greatest treasure of all. Knowledge is a treasure. Powers and divine virtues are also treasures. Only when you have accumulated all the treasures will you be said to be complete. Do not be content that you have all treasures, but do you have enough that you are able to use them for the self and also make others complete with them? Maya will come to you in the form of whatever weakness you have, because Maya is very clever. Therefore, continue to accumulate all treasures. Do not allow yourself to become empty. Do you experience yourself to be constantly full with all the treasures, that is, a complete soul? The sign of one who is complete is that he will be unshakable. He will not fluctuate. The more someone is empty, the more he fluctuates. Therefore, if there is any type of fluctuation, whether through thoughts, words, relationships, and connections, if there is any kind of fluctuation, that proves that he is not complete with all treasures. When we remain unshakable in thoughts and dreams, the awareness of being a Master Almighty Authority emerges. To that extent, this fluctuation will keep merging. Therefore, the awareness of being a Master Almighty Authority in a practical form should emerge. Just as the occupation of the body remains emerged, it is not merged. In the same way, let there be the occupation of this Brahmin life in the emerged form. Always remember your occupation, that we are Master Almighty Authorities. This is because these days all the souls are very weak. Therefore, weak souls need power. Who will give power? The one who himself is a Master Almighty Authority. When you meet any soul, what do they talk about? They talk about matters of weakness. Whatever they want to do, they cannot do. This is the proof that they are weak. You children can put into action whatever thought you have. So, the sign of a Master Almighty Authority is that their thoughts and actions will be equal. It should not be that the thought would be very elevated, and while doing action, you cannot have that elevated thought. If it is so, you would not be called Master Almighty Authority. Therefore, check whether it is possible to bring those elevated thoughts into action or not. The sign of a Master Almighty Authority is that whichever power is needed, at that time, that power comes into action. Who are you? You are Master Bestower, aren't you? In reality, to give means to increase. To the extent you give, to that extent it increases. The perishable treasure decreases by giving, and imperishable treasure increases by giving. Give 1 and attain 1,000. So, do you know how to give? Or do you just know how to take? Who can give? The one who is internally full. If he is lacking, then he cannot give. Therefore, Master Bestower means the one who remains constantly full and complete. Om Shanti.